All right. This is like a mid to late 80s New Holland skid steer that I just acquired. It's pretty much junk, but I got it cheap, so we'll see what we can do with it. Hopefully it's going to be useful on the farm. The motor was already messed up in it. Someone had already done a conversion to it, and they installed a 2-liter Ford engine in it. Well, the guy that had it before me, the guy that had it 2 people before me, he had taken I think the carb off, and it rained in there, messed up the cylinders. So, actually one of my buddies bought this. He was going to fix it, and I gave him a motor out of a Fox Body Mustang, 2.3 out of like a 92 Mustang that I got back. This is the original, the engine that was in it before. You can see she's real healthy. Good paperweight now. But I stripped the bell housing part off here. I know I cheated and left the starter on there, but somebody made this deal. They took and put the flywheel on there, and then they made that piece right there that bolts onto the flywheel and then hooks up to the PTO shaft that powers everything on the skid steer. But I just took that stuff off. Their janky motor mount that they had designed. Well, that's nice. That's healthy. Pulled the front pulley off so I could run like a V-belt setup on there. But I got this 2.3 here that I'm going to stick everything together on, and I'm going to slide it back in there. And since the motor come out of a Mustang and this is a skid steer, I'm going to call it the Skid Stang. I feel like that's a good name for it. Anybody comes up with anything better, let me know. Comment. So, see if we can clean this thing up and get it back together, make it look decent. I got my helper up here. Not really helping, but he's here. What you think, buddy?
Yeah! I got a cool monster on it here.
Yeah.
That light's the spotlight.
That's the spotlight?
Yep. Let's see. Watch.
Alright. You're trying to kill somebody. What do you think of the Skid Stang?
Yeah, that's a good name.
That's a good name? We'll see. Alright. Let's get some work.
Do you need anything clean in that? What do you call this thing here?
That's the carburetor.
What does it do?
It carburetes. That's what puts the fuel, it regulates fuel and air into the engine.
Does it actually go here? These holes are there, but it probably doesn't have the same holes.
material for that?
And not riding, just, you know.
You want cheese for me again?
More?
Well, I'm not taking pictures.
I'll give you all the cheese you want. Cheese!
But look!
Cheese!
You kind of missed it.
Let me be.
Let you see what?
Your cheese.
You got smiles? No? Okay.
Okay. What am I looking at? It's
The-
broken and rusty. What is this?
This is beautiful.
This is sage. Why are you putting sage on it?
I'm mean mugging you. These people can't see it, but I'm mean mugging you. Talking junk about my junk.
I'll mirror image. You just called it junk.
It's my junk. I get to talk.
First of all, what's yours is mine also.
I think I'll get to.
But this is the engine for your Bobstang or your skid stang.
That sounds really close to skid staying.
You don't like skid? You don't like skid stang? I almost said it.
You almost messed up.
I almost messed
That's
up.
what I'm saying. People with
Oh, well, I need
That's
a-
not right. Like, did you
Are you saying I got a lisp?
skid staying?
Do I have a lisp?
No, but your face doesn't always work.
That's true. Yeah, I get full retard sometimes.
What I'm saying is it just really sounds close. It's like go, go, go.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, do you want to watch a skid stang? You what?
So you come up with a name for it. It's got a Mustang 4-cylinder engine in it, and it's a New Holland skid steer. So I was going skid stang, but if you come up with something more original, we'll do it.
I mean, I'm kind of like a pirate, so I'm thinking Kevin.
What the hell? Kevin's a cut, mate.
Oh my god.
I'm about to cut that out. Is that copyright? I might have to cut that out.
It's not.
Are you sanding
No,
my...
I think you have to keep it skid stang because you've already like dubbed it and other people know it as skid stang. So.
Nobody knows it's a skid stang.
Wani.
Wani can watch the video and figure out what the new name is.
Wani's not gonna watch the video.
He probably ain't, so he'll never know. But it hasn't been painted on the thing, so it's not permanent.
You can tell it's not been painted.
Not that. The name hasn't been put on that.
Oh wow. I know it's not painted.
I wish you quit looking at my engine in disgust.
You said look.
But not in disgust.
Oh, let me fix my face.
I can't with you right now.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Do it.
I can't. Look at those boots. What are those? What are those?
They are essential. That's what they are.
That mud life?
That's right. These are like my duck feet. Only they're muck. Look, don't judge, okay? My feet are nice and dry.
I'm just letting them soak it in. Like that's your going out attire.
No, it's well. You know, on that podcast, he was asking me about like how we dealt with COVID and stuff like that, and I was like, look,
Ignore it.
horse people. I know for myself, I will have horse shit on myself, and I will go to the store. And before COVID, everybody looked at me like I was the bug. And it was gross. But now everybody's panicking because now everybody is the bug and they don't know how to deal with it. I've been this way since before. Like, I don't give a damn.
So what you're saying is, because you looked filthy, they gave you at least a 6-foot berth already.
Already. And it was nice.
And now they
I would
do
get-
12.
Yeah. I would get to go to the front of the line and nobody would be behind me and, you know. Now everybody's got a bug, and my dirty doesn't look quite so bad.
All right, on that note, I'm ending this video. What are those? What are you doing?
These are the things.
Being a show pony.
Oh, he woke up with violence in his heart today.